It's here! The all-new Apple MacBook Pro, packed with insane power, a stunning display, and that iconic Apple premium feel. If you're as excited as I am, join me as we unbox this beast together and see what's inside. Let's get started. Right away, Apple's minimalist packaging screams luxury. The box itself feels sturdy, and look at that, clean branding with just the MacBook Pro silhouette. No clutter, just premium vibes. That new MacBook smell, nothing like it. Underneath the protective sleeve, we've got the space gray MacBook Pro in all its glory. The matte finish feels incredible, and it's surprisingly slim for all that power inside. The liquid Retina XDR display? Jaw-dropping. Blacks are pitch dark, colors pop, and that promotion 120Hz refresh rate makes every scroll silky smooth. First impressions? This keyboard is buttery. The refined scissor mechanism feels crisp, and the backlit keys are perfect for late-night work sessions. Beneath the laptop, Apple includes quick start guide and warranty info. 61-watt USB-C power adapter. USB-C MagSafe charging cable, no more accidental yanks. Apple stickers, classic. And check out the ports, we've got HDMI, SD card slot, and 3 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports. No more dongle life. Booting up for the first time, that M3 Pro chip wakes it up instantly. No spinning wheels here. The setup is classic Apple, simple, intuitive, and fast. And that wraps up the unboxing of the Apple MacBook Pro. Sleek, powerful, and unmistakably Apple. If you enjoyed this unboxing, give it a like, and don't forget to share and subscribe for more tech content, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you pick the Pro over the Air? Thanks for watching.